Hi, I'm Todd Cooprider with Esoteric and welcome to our FAQ series. Today's question, what products do I use for aluminum wheels? Well, that's kind of an open-ended question. I believe we got this in our last live FAQ series we did, and we didn't get a chance to answer it at that time. It depends on what you're wanting to do with those aluminum wheels and how they are treated. Some aluminum wheels might be unfinished, where you got to polish them all the time. You know, you've hit them with a metal polish, your towel comes back black, you know that that doesn't have any kind of protection on it, you have to keep after it. They could also be a finish style. Are you just maintaining them, or are you looking to protect them for a long period of time? Fortunately, there's not really a lot of difference in what you're going to use on those aluminum wheels. Now, I did mention earlier about using a metal cleaner on those aluminum wheels and the towel coming back black. That's when you know that it is a aluminum wheel that hasn't been finished. But you want to make sure that you know that for sure before you try anything on that wheel. Because if it has a clear coat on it and you go use a metal polish, you're going to scratch up that clear coat really badly. So make sure you know what kind of wheel you have before you choose the type of product that's going to go on it. If you know that it's an unfinished one, you can use a metal polish on it, something like a palladium from Polish Angel, and that will do a good job of bringing those wheels back. I just did a chopper here recently. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. It's way back there, but it's for supports combat veterans, and we donated all the work on it. But those wheels were just looking kind of bad and lifeless. But in that case, we polished them up. They look fantastic afterwards. Now it comes for protecting. What are you going to put on it? You've got a few choices there too, regardless of whether it's a finished aluminum wheel or an unfinished. You can go with something more permanent, like a wheel coating. You can use something that you use a little bit more quickly, like a Super Sport from Polish Angel. But in the end, it doesn't really matter what style it is. Also, if you're just doing regular maintenance kind of washing, you use a good pH neutral wheel cleaner on there, something like a Geon Iron or a Sonax Full Effect wheel cleaner. It's not going to damage them, provided you are smart about it and you don't do it when they're hot, you don't do it in direct sun. Use a little common sense when you're working with them, but those products are going to work both on a finished aluminum and a non-finished aluminum wheel. If you want to learn more about the care and maintenance of it, we're going to link you over to a couple of videos. One, it's going to be for a product to clean the wheels, and the other is going to be a video on what kind of product to use to protect and maintain the wheels. So make sure you check those out, learn more about the subject.